Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio and day 3 for hashtag Acrylic April. I hope you all are challenging yourselves and trying to paint or do something artsy every day. This is my second attempt at the green bottle, and hopefully I will get it right this time. Actually, I liked my first attempt better than this one turns out, but I'll show you the step that I missed. I'm trying to, all of my little watercolor papers are curled. I'm trying to keep them flat. Alright, so the part I messed up on, well, I didn't really mess up, did differently than he does, is once he gets the shape of the bottle down, he kind of wipes away the paint so it looks more transparent, translucent. And so I got the paint on and get my shape, and then I'm going to go through with the paper towel and just wipe back the shape, and that's how you get that transparent looking glass. Yeah, it kind of works, but it's like a serious mess. So here we go, wiping, and I'm just getting streaks. I don't know, I have no control over paper towels. And it's reapplying the green to other places. I don't know. Does it look more like glass now? Maybe it, and yeah, I've got green everywhere. I think that might take practice. What do you think? So once you see the finished piece at the end, you'll have to tell me, which one do you like better? The glass from yesterday or the glass from today? I'm going to play some music, and I hope you enjoy watching.